Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Twisted. Twisted on Roblox. And we are playing, by the way, as soon as I get done with this video, I'm gonna check what that said. Anyways, we're playing Twisted. We were playing Twisted, the main game, and I'm mobile. Because of this new patch, the new update, the new small update patch they did recently. I think it was yesterday. Changed the game for me. Now I can play regular Twisted. Yes, this is what I plan on doing. By the way, why did it just like... I don't know why I did that, but okay. I don't know why is it doing that? Why is it auto-setting my thing? I have it on manual for a reason. By the way, join the Weather Reports Discord server. Join it, because like, if you don't, you have no balls. I'm just saying. And if also if you want to learn about weather stuff, I have some experienced weather meteorologists and storm trackers and Skywarn spotters to help you. I am gonna turn here. I don't know why I made the dirt sound effects. That was very cringy. I'm never doing that again. I'm so sorry. 70 mile an hour down the dirt road, not bad. That thing turned into a straight rope, my guy. Just saying we're gonna time lapse that. I'm just saying we're time lapsing the time I was in the grass. Yeah, sorry. Or we're just gonna cut to whenever we get done. Play some action music. Editor me, play some action music. Alright, I'm right here. Alright, we are ready? Are we ready for the probe intercepts? Oh god, there's two. Where's the second one going? I feel like I go for the one that's stronger. Oh no! Oh god! I don't see the second one. I don't see it. Bro, come on! All right, we're gonna set it to setting 2. Oh, wait, that's going. Whoa! Where's the tornado that's heading towards me? Yeah, we gotta get out of here. We're gonna die. Like we're going to die if we don't. No time to intercept. Doghouse is in a very bad situation. As you can see. Hold up. Okay, before we do leave, I'm going to go over here and take a picture, because that's perfect. Actually, flip the picture. I'll be flipped. Doghouse is flipped. Come on, we ain't got time for this. Come on. It's right on our butt, dude. Come on. Don't make that sauce. Because then our dang well the new generation will make that sauce. Come on, come on. I don't want to die today, dude. I'm not trying to die. Even though it's quite literally behind me. I think they both just lifted. Yeah, they did. Oh no, they didn't. Alright, time to go again. I thought they both lifted. Time to go. We're in a. I'm going for that. I'm going for the old one. Let's turn red. Yeah, I'm gonna do that smaller. Well, I'm literally in between two right now. Uh-oh, it's right there. There's one right there. Where's that? Where's the other one? Bruh, if this isn't a bad situation, I don't know. Alright, place on the clothes. Place them. I'm just saying I have no clue the president. Alright, time to go. Time to go. Time for us to leave. It's right there. Time for us to leave. Time for us to go. 30 miles an hour. The winds are spiking. Alright, time to get out the car. I'm gonna do a small little time lapse. Shoot! Oh, 50 mile an hour winds. We gotta go. It shifted. It most definitely shifted. Go! Wait, is there another one on top of this? How many tornadoes are there? Well, also, as soon as it rains. I got a few thumbnails to choose from now. Alright, we gotta get out of here, dude. We gotta get out of here. That was dangerous. Watch another tornado just drop down right where we were. That would be terrifying. Alright, time to get here to take another thumbnail shot. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail for this video, since I haven't done like a good twisted video like this in a while. Be a little bit farther away from the truck. Please don't let one drop down right on top of me, that would suck. How fast were the winds? 107. I'm surprised that anything actually survived this one. I'm so glad I got into a 3-day high server. Looks like this guy in the Just saying, I don't know where this tornado is. It's just sitting on top of Funkley. Let me just wait for the stuff to. Let me turn around. I'm just gonna. I swear, every time someone sees me do something, they'll copy my every move. Did it shift again? Why is it shifting so much? Is it a wedge or is it a rope? It's like, it will only shift like that if it's a rope. I mean, I'm just serious. It will only shift like that if it's a rope. Its TVS is right there, but the rotation isn't. Where's the... I swear to God, if you don't get out of my way, dude. Stop following me, dude. Stop. Bro, I cannot with these people, dude. I swear, dude. They keep following me. Stop following me. In the driver's seat. Deploy. I really do wish they like this game had actually. I really wish this game had where you push the button instead of trying to jump and get in. Wow, look at this storm, dude. I'm just saying, I do not know where anything is. I know the tornado's like right here. I don't know if we're gonna get in the funnel or not. Yeah, definitely not. We're not in the funnel. No way. Oh, this guy's dead. We missed the funnel. We did get the intercept. We missed the condensation funnel, but it's alright. This thing gets picked up around 120, so we should be good for right now. Bro, this thing's wind speeds are so high in the condensation funnel, dude, I swear. We're sitting like right next to this tornado right now. Bro, we are racing. Bro, it's gonna hit Hazleton, dude. It's gonna be a Hazleton slabber, I swear. I think the sign just saved me. I should be directly in the condensation funnel in a second. He's going to die. Oh man, it's dying. I swear to God. Okay, what's this new? No, Degmo. That's the worst high day I've ever seen. At this point, I'm just gonna go to freaking Hazleton, dude. That's depressing. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. If you guys really did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.